Let me put this straight. Forex trading is not about the numbers or charts. It's about you, your emotions, your mindset. And if you don't get that, then you're just setting yourself up for failure. Most people jump into trading thinking that it's all about the strategies. And yes, strategies do matter. But if you don't control yourself, when everything goes wrong, then you're done. But if you want to go from zero to hero in Forex, the real work isn't in the charts, it's in your head. It's about learning how to control the game inside of you. Let's be real for a second. When you first start trading, you're not thinking about how you'll feel when the market goes against you. You're thinking, I need a good strategy, I need a good plan. Sure, you need a plan. But the real challenge comes when things start turning south. You see, it's when you're losing or when the market's not going your way that's when your emotions will test you. You've got fear, you've got greed, and impatience. That's when you'll see most people fall apart because they let their emotions take the wheel. But here's the truth, feeling these emotions is normal. What separates beginners from the pros is how they handle and react to those emotions. A pro doesn't let fear or greed make the decisions for them. They stick to the plan regardless of how they feel. And here's the thing you need to understand, your emotions are going to mess with you no matter what you do. And I'm not talking about just getting frustrated or angry. I'm talking about reacting to the market in ways that will make you do things you'll regret. So let's say you're in a trade, it's going well, and then boom, it turns the other direction. Suddenly you're losing. Panic sets in. What do? Most people freak out and either close the trade too early or double down, hoping for a miracle. And you'll end up seeing them pray for one as well. Why? Because they're letting emotions control their decisions. And they never had a plan in place to handle the downside. The best traders, they don't act on panic. They take a step back, they breathe in and out, they drop their jaw, they stick to the plan, and they don't let their emotions take over. If you think Forex trading is about getting rich quick, forget about trading. This isn't a get rich quick game, it's a marathon. It takes time, practice, and patience. Years, even, not weeks. You see, everyone wants big money, but they forget that real success isn't about hitting big profits every day. It's about surviving the tough moments. It's about how you deal with those losses, how you handle your emotions when things don't go your way. And that's exactly where the growth happens. So don't rush it. You need to love the process, love the grind. That's how you win in the long run. And if you can build the patience now, it will carry you when things start going your way. So let's get this clear. If you let your emotions control your trades, you are definitely going to lose. Fear, greed, impatience, those are big killers. But here's the twist, you can actually use those emotions to your advantage. It's really all about how you respond to it, not how you react. When you're losing, don't act on impulse. Take a step back, breathe, and ask yourself, is this the decision I want to make right now? Don't trade just because you're panicking. That's where most traders make their big mistakes. Here's the good part. Emotional control is not something you're born with. It's a skill. Just like building muscle, it gets stronger with practice. And just like hitting the gym, you need to work on it every day. You don't need to start big. Start small. Practice patience every day. When something small frustrates you, take a moment. Breathe. Drop your jaw. Don't let that frustration control you. If you can practice that in everyday life, you'll be much better at handling your emotions in your trades. And here's another thing you need to understand. No one is born a pro trader. The pros are the ones that don't avoid the tough parts. They face them head on and they learn from them. It's really the tough moments that will teach you most about yourself and about trading. So you can lose 100 times, but if you stay calm and stick to your plan, you'll definitely keep growing. You'll bounce back, and that emotional strength is what will set you apart. So remember, stay patient, stay disciplined, keep your emotions in check, and most importantly, stay in control.